Here I have NOKIA C12, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button screen record. So by holding your finger on it, nothing happens. By tapping it once, you can switch audio source, and you can also enable showing touches on screen. Then you tap start in order to start recording, and after a countdown recording starts. So let's record some of our screen. When you're done recording, you just go to the upper bar and tap stop here, and after that this recording will be saved to the gallery, to the folder movies, and here it is. Recording starts, so let's record some of our screen. And from here you can share, edit or delete your recording, or perform some other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.